Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to write the next question of the chapter, The Magic Tree. So, the very first thing you are going to put today's date, that is 08-10-21. On the red line, you can write the chapter's name, The Magic Tree. Leave the first line. On the second line, we'll start. And the question is, match the words in column A with words that have same meaning in column B. So before we write the question, I need you to write something so that you will remember and understand it better. Okay. So what is this question is about is called a synonym. What is it called? Synonym. So let's write the definition first. Leave the first line, children. Write in the second line. A word that has same or nearly the same meaning as another word is called a synonym. Full stop. So this is the definition. A word that has same or nearly the same meaning as another word. You should write word here, children. Another word, W-O-R-D, is called a synonym. Okay. Now we can start with the question. And the question which is given in your book is, that is question number C. Yesterday we have written question number B. Today we are going to write question number C. That is match the words in column A, capital A, with words that have the same meaning in column B, capital B. Okay, so two columns are given in your book, A and B. You have to match. Okay, so children, if you are doing in the test book, you can match it with the help of scale. But if you are writing in your notebook along with me, then I suggest you to write the correct synonym in front of the word. Okay, we are not going to match, we will write the correct word, that is two synonyms, that is two words having the same meaning together. Okay, so let's come to the first one. Number one is, what is the first word given in your book? Cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Okay, I am going to write the correct option here in front of cold. That is, what are the options? Check it out, children. In your book, A is given clean, B is correct, C is small, D is chilly, and C is warm. So the correct synonym for this cold, the word cold, the synonym for the word cold, the word that has same or nearly the same meaning as another word, that is cold, is called a synonym. So among these, the synonym for cold can be, put a dash over here, the D option given in your book. Write D if you want, put it in the bracket. Write chilly, 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 cold, chilly. Okay, when it is very cold, we can say it is very chilly. We can say that as well. Okay, so this becomes the synonym of each other. Now come to the second one. The second word given in your book is little, LITTLE, little. Put a dash, and the correct synonym for this little given in your book can be the C option. I'm writing it C in the bracket. That is small, SMALL, small. Little means small, small means little. Okay, so this makes them synonym of each other. Now we come to the third one. Number 3 is and the third word given in your book is neat. NEAT, neat. Put a dash, children. And the word which is near to this word, that is nearly the same meaning, it has nearly the same meaning or exactly the same meaning, will be the A option, clean, CLEAN, clean. Neat is clean, clean is neat. Okay, it has the same meaning, so that makes them synonym of each other. Now we come to number 4, and the fourth one is hot, HOT, hot. What can be the word for this one? The synonym for hot can be, 2 are left now, correct and warm. So E can be the correct option for this one, that is warm, WARM, warm. And the last one, I'm gonna write it here only. You people can turn the page. Number 5, right, RIGHT, right. Put a dash, children. And the correct option is the only one which is left, that is B option. Sorry, B option. That is correct. 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 Okay. So see, children, both the words have the same meaning or nearly the same meaning. That makes them synonym. Cold, chilly, little, small, neat, clean, hot, warm, right, correct. Let's repeat it once, children. Chapter name is The Magic Tree. A word, you can repeat after me, children. A word that has same or nearly the same meaning as another word is called a synonym. Once again, children, a word that has same or nearly the same meaning as another word is called a synonym. And remember, children, you don't have to learn the definition. It is only there for your reference. Okay? Read it twice or thrice. It will be there in your mind. No need to learn it. Okay, now come to the question. So you have to match the synonym. The first one is cold, chilly. Cold, chilly. Little, small. Little, on. Neat, clean. Neat, clean. Hot, warm. Hot, warm. Right, correct. Right, correct. So hereby we complete our today's class, children.